Hello future CAs, this video is mainly for an important decision for CA foundation students who wrote exam in Jan 2025. Okay sir, I am going to exit the video. I am an inter or final student. You could have put in thumbnail only. No sir. Intentionally I didn't keep in thumbnail. That's why the thumbnail was most important decision. If you are still here, you should not leave without doing this small activity. I have a gift for you. What activity it is? You have to first share this video with any CA foundation student that you know, and if you do that, within the next 1 month, the girl or boy that you like, your relationship is going to be successful. That is my wishes. But jokes apart guys, do share with any foundation students that you know, because this is important for them. We hardly make videos for foundation students because the classes we give for foundation students are always free. So I hope this reaches all the foundation students, so please do share it. Now coming back to all the foundation students, you have been commenting on every video, sir, inter video only you are doing, when are you going to do for foundation? Finally this is that video for foundation, and I hope and humbly request you stay till the end, because here we are going to talk about your future guys. You know, foundation students are very new to this course, that they generally, if you are unsuccessful in foundation in Jan 25, I'm addressing both. This would have been the first time you are addressing or seeing failure in your life, or even if it's multiple attempts, it's very hard for you. And if you are successful, you will be over the moon, thinking you have conquered CA. Congratulations on clearing, you deserve it guys. But believe me, the real CA, ask your seniors, they would have commented now saying we have shared it. The real CA starts only in inter and final, and I need to educate you about that over here guys, and that's why I'm bringing you all over here. Now sir, what are we going to talk about our future sir? Your next 4 years is so damn important. Do you know why? People of your age, around this 18 to 22, non-CA students will be partying. They'll go to Goa, they'll go to Pondicherry, they'll be in college, they'll go for sleepovers, and you will be slogging, you will be studying, looking at your friends partying, and you will feel I am missing out everything. But believe me, after 4 years, they may end up joining Zomato or Swiggy. You may also join Zomato or Swiggy, but as a finance manager or CFO. There is a difference. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. 4 years of sacrifice will change everything. Sir, now what are the 3 important messages you're going to share with us? Okay. When I say important, it's going to be important. By now you would have known that from COVID, for CA Foundation, all the students have been giving free classes. Sir, why you are giving free, sir? You can make money. No, sir. No. In foundation, I have seen that students have just entered the course and they need quality classes, and there are not many good classes, and that's why I give foundation for free. Now, those students who wrote in Jan 25, 2 things would have happened. For those who are successful, your exam inter is Jan 26, next year Jan. You have to decide regarding your class, offline or online recording. And for those who didn't make it, it's okay guys, it's just another 3 months. I know it will be very hard at that age, but believe me, certain things happen to us in life only to see how we react to it, and God will give us better things later if you react positively. So decide for May 25, how are you going to approach? Here I'm going to help you with the decision. Sir, always you are giving free. No sir, now also are you going to give free? Yes, free only, but with some small change. Imagine you are going to buy clothes, you are going to buy shirt. Will you blindly buy it guys? No, you will try it on, correct? Imagine you are ordering food on Zomato. You will see reviews, you will see if any sample is available, and then only you will order the food, correct? Those are decisions. Or let's say you're watching a movie, you will take feedback and go. You will not simply buy the ticket. Movie, food, t-shirt, these are all small decisions, short term. The decision you are going to take now is for your next 4 years, not about money. The next 4 years of your career guys, because you need to join the right class. Sir, everybody will tell this is the right class. No sir, very simple. I don't want any money from you guys, I just want you to experience this class. If you are a student who was going to write in CA Inter Jan 26, and if you need my classes, online, offline, I'm just going to share. Offline class, myself and Niveda ma'am will be taking in A&M classes Chennai, and the batch is starting in starting on March 2025. You can see it right over here. Okay, March 2025, 21st March, just another 10 days. Sir, looking at the fees, I'm getting scared, sir. What are all the features of the class? I'm not going to talk about it now. You don't have to get scared. All I request you is, if you are in Chennai, come and attend the first 10 days for free. If you like the class, continue for next 9 months and pay the fees. Otherwise, walk out. We will not ask you a single question. We will not ask a single question, because I want you to experience class before you pay. No other academy will do this, guys. When you enter the academy, first they will take application form and collect fees. Then only you can go inside. Here it's not like that. I want you to experience. Second, sir, I am someone who couldn't make it, sir. I couldn't make it for foundation. I need classes for May 25. Same thing. We have a blaster 30 days revision class in Pragya CA classes. You don't have to pay any fees. Come and attend free demo for 1 week. 1 week out of 30 days, 7 days you come and attend, online, live or offline. If you like, continue. Otherwise, walk out. Details I will give in description anyway. Lastly, sir, I am not in Chennai, sir. The class you shared is Chennai. I still need your class. Okay, sir, I cannot come to Pragya CA classes for offline, foundation, for repeaters batch, or for regular batch A&M also. I am not able to come because I am not in Chennai. I will always recommend offline is better than online. If you can take offline, very good. For whatever reasons, if you are taking online, sir, I still need your class for online. Then where can you find it, guys? Very simple. We have our website in the CA classroom. Everything is available over there. So let me show that to you. So all you have to do is go to Google and search for CACS Karthik Manikonda, my name, or the CA classroom, and come to CA Inter regular course here for 9 months. Group 1, Group 2 or both groups, affordable prices. You can click and you have all the details over here. Sir, there is no free answer. It's there. You can click on demo videos. All demo is there. If you want, you can take the whole group. No, sir, I don't want group. I want only your subject. Individual subjects are available here for all 6 subjects. Take it. And we will be giving you whichever class you join, offline at A&M or online with CA classroom or Pragya for repeaters. We will be giving you schedule for everything. So for example, if I click on this group 1 regular, you will be getting a schedule. If you come down, look at this schedule is there. We have something called triple S schedule. This I would have explained in separate detailed videos, but this video is not for that. It's just to give you awareness that everything will be taken care. First experience the demo. That's about it, guys. That's the awareness. And again, I will end by saying, whichever class you join, you decide. Talk to your parents, experience 4-5 options, and then decide, because this is your next 9 months. So take a wise and smart decision, guys. Thank you.